those wriggle marks in the stream detritus on top of the water. They sure look slithery, don't they? So is that movement of a snake or a turtle? I just saw a big disturbance down in here, and I am pretty sure that it was a turtle that came back a ways and surfaced. I think I have my answer. I think it's a quite large turtle down in there. That big guy just popped its head up the minute I walked up. Alright, I'm going to move toward it and we'll see if it'll pop its head. Yep, there we go. Back under. It's about an hour and a half, 2 hours later. Let's go down in this hole though, just for a minute while we're here. Just see if we see any snakes. It's just about getting the right time of the year. Let's go down. Let's go down here for a second. Not seeing much right now.